The second rant is about Oppo. Oppo Thailand had an event yesterday where they launched the Reno8 series, and along with the Reno8 and Reno8 Pro, they launched one new phone known as Reno8 Z 5G. This is just a cheating because it is basically the Reno7 Z 5G. They have just changed the back design and added a new color. It's powered by the same Snapdragon 695 processor with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. It has a 6.43 Full HD AMOLED screen with fingerprint underneath. It has the same camera setup, that is 64 main, 2+2, that is macro and depth crop. This phone is called as the portrait effect, while the Reno7 Z was known as the frame yourself phone, and they have the same front cameras of 16 megapixels. So I don't understand what is wrong, why they just have to relaunch the phone in the different name. It is slightly thicker and is made of a different material. It has the same battery, 4500 mAh with the same 33 watt fast charger, and the pre-orders will begin, has already begun yesterday, and the sales will begin from August 14. The price is about $360. I don't know what they are doing and why are they doing this. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.